Hey guys, in this video we will use a mesh tool for different colors like this. How to use multiple colors in any object. So first let's delete these objects. Let's delete it and create new one. Select on ellipse tool. Let's select create a circle. Okay, let's change its color. Purple, it's fine. Okay, now click on mesh tool. This one, just click on it and select an object. Just left click in any side, here or here. In path, just select here, so you can now see it's select an anchor point here, and we can create one more here. Okay, we have 2 points. Now to change it color, first click on mesh tool. Click. If you want to change this side of color, select this anchor, so you now can see it's selected, but this point is unselected. So we can now change its color. Okay, so let's change this color. Now you can see the difference. Let's try another one. Just copy and paste this object. This time select select again my tool, and this time we can choose this one, bottom one. Just select and change its color to another one. Okay, let's try this. Okay, fine. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, let's try another one. Just copy and paste it. Okay, and also we can change its position like this. Select this selection tool, click on this, and if you select on anchor point, and you can see handle on this, just drag your mouse to left or right to change its position. Now you can see uh, this curve. Just try this. Okay, I think it's fine. And one more thing is we can also change it color directly, like it is already have purple color. So if we click on mesh tool, okay, and if you can click anywhere on the edge, so it automatically create the color which is already selected right here. Just change it color. uh, I think it's fine. Okay, try another one. Just click here, so you can see it's automatically changed it because it is already selected here, so it is very fast. Okay, let's just try another one. Copy and paste here, select tool, and change the position. Okay, okay. I think it nice. It's fine. Fine. Okay. Try another one. Last one. what we can do now, let's try. Okay, add some more mesh point. Maybe one is here, and let's try one is here, one is here. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I think it's fine. So guys, okay, so you can now see how we can change the colors. I think it is very useful tool, mesh tool. We can we can make multiple colors, different colors. So it is very useful. Just try it, practice it. You can create many more things. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in another video. Thanks.